Hey, what is up guys? So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use a CNG switch, that is a compressed natural gas switch in a car. So let's get on with it. As you can see right now the car is off, and this type of switch, it has 3 clicks. One is to the extreme left, one is in the middle, and one is to the right. Now let me show you what this means. The one to the extreme left means that the car will run on petrol and it will start on petrol. The one to the extreme right means that the car will start on petrol but it will run on gas after 2 minutes. If you put the switch in the middle, this means that the car will start on gas, on CNG gas, and it will also run on CNG gas. This ensures that you save petrol by starting the car. But it is always considered healthy to start the car on petrol and then it will automatically switch to gas. But now let me show you it by starting the car. So let me just keep the car right now. Let me just keep the switch right now in the middle, and I'm going to turn the ignition key. I'm going to turn it to the run position. And as you can see, right now I'm going to start the car. As you can see now the car is on, and right now it has directly switched to CNG. Now let me switch it back to the extreme right. Now I started this with the switch in the middle. This means that the car started on CNG, and as you notice, it had a little problem while starting, and I had to turn the key twice. But if I would have started it right on petrol, and then it would have turned automatically to CNG, it would have started in one shot. Whereas if you turn the key right now to the extreme left, as you can see that the car, it will stutter for a minute, and then this red light will come on. This means that the car is running on petrol right now, and as you can see, it has got good consistent power. Now switching it back to CNG, you can see that the car has stopped because CNG doesn't provide that much power. So it's understood. So I have to go again. Right now to the car again. And as you can see right now, it is showing the petrol light on as well as the CNG lights on. This means that there is still petrol in the fuel lines, and it will start on petrol despite on whichever switch you put it on. So keep that in mind. Let's go and start it for the last time. Now as you can see, it had a bit of a problem starting. So that's it. That's how you know. So in short, if this red light is on to the extreme left, it means that there's petrol in your fuel lines. And if this orange light is on to the extreme right, it means that there's CNG in your fuel lines. Whereas this last light, which is red, it means that you are extremely low on CNG and you have to fill up as soon as possible. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching.